So, good evening everyone. I'm Mark Josh Escorial from PTPTED CP3A, and today magkakaroon tayo ng short let reviewer, and ang subject is STS or Science, Technology, and Society. So, and let's start na sa number 1. It is the variety of life that make up our natural world. Ang choices is vertebrates, pollution, biodiversity, abiotic factor. So, dito sa question na to is tinatanong kung ano yung variety of life, which is vertebrates is not, kasi ito yung mga type of animals na mayroong backbone. And pollution, ito naman sa natin kapaligiran. Abiotic factor is ano ito yung mga non-living things na nakapit lang sa sa nakapit siya, yung abiotic factors siya yung ang mga non-living things. So ang magiging sagot natin is biodiversity. Ang biodiversity is binubuo ng all living things na including us and animals and trees, plants, mga ganyan. And next is number 2. Which of the following is leading cause of extinction? A. Animals are dying because of age. B. Loss of habitats because of globalization. Disease in environment cause animals to die. Lack of food supply increases the number of deaths among animals. So dito tinatanong is ano daw yung naglilid ng cause ng mga extinction, no? So mga animals natin. So A, animals are dying because of age. Hindi, kasi matagal naman sila nabubuhay. Kaya pag namatay sila, merong pumapalit or may mga mas marami pang nabubuhay. C, disease in environment cause animals to die. Dito naman yung mga sa environment is yung mga sakit sa environment kaya namamatay yung mga animals. Though ito is relevant, but less relevant siya sa tanong, no, kasi hindi naman siya karamihan nagkakasakit yung mga animals since mga wild naman sila. Lack of food supply, dito hindi din siya kasi since sa wild nga sila lagi sila nakakahanap ng ways to survive. And ang sagot dito is B, loss of habitat because of globalization, no? Dahil din sa atin, kasi dahil sa mga pagputol natin mga puno, yung mga deforestation natin, no? Para sa due to globalization. Kaya ito yung main cost of extinction ng mga ating animals. And next is yung number 3, deforestation. What would be a very good way to preserve biodiversity? A, deforestation. B, reforestation. C, canning system. D, mining. So, makikita mo naman lahat to yung tatlo dito, yung A, C, and D is negative. Deforestation, pag tanggal ng mga puno. Canning system is yung yung mga destroy ng mga habitats natin, tsaka yung mga mining. So, reforestation or planting trees, yun yung sagot dun. And next is number 4. Which of the following is an example of abiotic factor? Kanina na pag-usapan natin sa number 1 is sila yung mga non-living things, no? And etong tree, eagle, and deer, sila yung mga living things natin. So, ang magiging sagot is oxygen. Pag sinabing abiotic factor, sila yung mga non-living things. Kaya ang magiging sagot natin is oxygen. Next is, it is a biological community of interacting organisms and their physical environment. A, ecosystem. B, individual. C, population. D, species. So dito makikita mo naman yung yung mga pagkakaiba nila. Individual, sarili lang, tayo lang sa sarili natin. Population, ito yung populasyon or bilang. And the species, ito yung kung sinabi species, yung mga types. So ang magiging sagot is ecosystem, no? Pagsama-sama ng mga organisms kahit non-living things at saka living things na binubuo siya ng ecosystem. Next is, it is a phenomenon that refers to the increase in Earth's temperature. A, sustainability. B, global warming. C, climate change. D, deforestation. Dito sa question na to is ano daw yung nire-refer ng pag-init sa pag-init or pag-iba ng pag-iba ng temperature sa Earth. No, dito sa tanong na to is ang sagot diyan is global warming. Why? Kasi ang global warming daw ay yung due to greenhouse gases tsaka due to greenhouse gases, yun lang. Unlike sa climate change kasi mas malawak siya, ang dito is specific lang, Earth's temperature lang. Kaya ang sagot is global warming. Next is, what is the term used to identify animals have no backbone or spinal column? A. Invertebrates, B. Family, C. Species, D. Vertebrates. Kanina nabanggit natin sa number 1. Vertebrates yung yung may mga backbone or may spinal cord. Ito yung invertebrate. No. Tama. Yung mga vertebrates yung may mga spinal cord. No, ang invertebrates naman is yung mga walang spinal cord. Kaya ang sagot natin is letter A. And next is, why are forests important for migrating climate change? Trees provide building materials. Trees are important source of food. Forests serve as a sink in a carbon cycle. Leaves of trees reflect all sunlight away from the earth. Dito, yung letter A is pass na to, negative na rin to. Siya, and letter B is relevant naman siya, pero hindi siya masyadong kasi hindi siya pinaka-relevant or tinatawag natin yung less relevant sa question, no. And letter D, leaves the trees reflect all away from the earth. Dito, less relevant din siya, kaya ang naging sagot natin, forest serve as a sink in a carbon cycle, which is explain that's yung mga forest is nag-absorb ng mga carbon dioxide, nagre-reduce ng mga climate change, yun. And next is and forest. Next, what greenhouse gas is released into the atmosphere from gasoline burning cars? A. Carbon dioxide, B. Nitrogen, C. Oxygen, D. Water vapor. Dito sa number 9, carbon dioxide ang sagot kasi yung mga kotse natin is nagre-release ng mga carbon dioxide. A greenhouse gas yun. Yung nitrogen and oxygen ay hindi siya or yung mga water vapor ay hindi siya hindi siya greenhouse gas or yung mga sa sa atmosphere. Kaya ang sagot natin is carbon dioxide. Next is yung number 10, last natin. This refers to the change in biodiversity or within the environment that could begin to change the entire ecosystem. A. Habitat loss and destruction. B. Global climate change. C. Alteration in ecosystem composition. D. Pollution. So dito ang sagot is yung natin, letter C, alteration in ecosystem, kasi ang explain diyan, changes in species or interaction disrupt ecosystem. Bale itong tatlong natira, nagko-cause din siya, pero mas less naman siya sa hindi siya yung epekto niya is parang maliit lang sa ecosystem, no. And yun lang yung natin, yung short reviewer natin sa STS or sa science, technology and society. And ito yung reference naman na ginamit namin or video na pinagkuhaan namin, si Sir David Lee Reyes, no. You can watch this let reviewer, no, for more information. And yun lang, ako nga pala ulit si Marcus Escorial from Bitibilid CP 3A. Thank you.